Chapter 1 Experiment. Aim: to determine resistance per centimeter of a given wire by plotting a graph of potential difference versus current. Apparatus: a millimeter 0-3 A, voltmeter 0-3 V, rheostat, a meter scale, a one-way key, a given wire of unknown resistance, a dry cell, battery or battery eliminator, connecting wires, and a sandpaper. Theory: Ohm's law. It states that the current I flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the two ends of the conductor, provided the physical state of the conductor like length, area, and external conditions like temperature, pressure, etc. remain unchanged.
That is
V proportional to
I
or V equal to
I
or R equal to V by
I.
resistance. Here R equal to constant of proportionality, which is known as electrical resistance. The value of resistance depends upon nature of material of the conductor, dimensions of the conductor, temperature, but value of R is independent of the values of V and
I.
when the above mentioned physical conditions remain constant, we find the values of current
I
for different values of voltage V, specific resistance, resistivity. It is a constant for the given material when other physical conditions like temperature, etc. are constant. It is given by the relation rho equal to RA by L. Its unit is ohm meter, where A is the area of cross section of the given material and L is the length of the same sample. We can also write R equal to P L by A. To find resistance from graph. Now, if a graph is plotted between V along x axis and
I
along y axis, this graph will be a straight line. A straight line graph between V and
I
clearly indicates that current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. From the graph, slope equal to AC by BC equal to
I
by V equal to 1 by R equal to
I
negative
I
1 by V2 negative V1. Therefore, R equal to 1 by slope. If length of given conductor or wire is L centimeter, then resistance per centimeter of wire equal to 1 by slope into 1 by L equal to R by L. Procedure: rub the ends of connecting wires with the help of sandpaper. Make the connections as shown in the circuit diagram and take out the plug from one-way key. Check that the pointer of ammeter and voltmeter are at 0 mark when the key K is off. You can adjust the pointer with the help of screw provided on the instrument. Note the least count of both the ammeter and voltmeter. Also, note zero error both in ammeter and voltmeter if any. Check the highest and the lowest positions on the ammeter and voltmeter by moving the rheostat knob. so that the current and voltage do not exceed the respective ranges on ammeter and voltmeter. Insert the plug in one-way key and slide the knob of rheostat so that small current passes through the resistance coil. Note, by making the slight adjustments with the help of rheostat, make sure that pointer of voltmeter or ammeter does not lie in between the two divisions of the scale. Note, the value of potential difference from voltmeter and the current from the ammeter. Now, change the value of current in the circuit with the help of rheostat and note the readings of potential difference V and current
I.
at least for 8 to 9 more observations by proceeding in the same way as in step number 4 and 5. Plot the graph between potential difference V along x-axis and current
I.
along y-axis. It will be a straight line as shown in figure 1.3. Observations and calculations. Record all the observations in the following table and calculate the values. Result:
Precautions.
the current should be passed only for a short interval of time while taking readings. The connections should be tight and a low resistance rheostat should be used. The ends of the wires should be cleaned with sandpaper before making the connections. The positive terminals of the ammeter and voltmeter should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Plug out the key when circuit is not in use. Sources of error: the ends of the wires might not be clean. The connections might be loose. The wire might not be of uniform area of cross section. V by
I.
might not be constant due to excessive heating caused by passage of current for a long time.